Hi everyone, and welcome back to Love Raw. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy, delicious chia pudding with homemade Brazil nut milk. It's one of my favorite healthy plant-based desserts, and it is packed with protein and omega-3s. Let's get started. Don't forget to gently tap that subscribe button and like and share these videos so I can keep sharing healing recipes with you. So to start, I've got 2 cups of Brazil nuts that I rinsed and soaked overnight, and I've put them into my Vitamix blender with 5 cups of water. And I'm going to blend that on high speed for about 30 seconds. Okay, so I've got an organic cotton nut milk bag that I'm going to use now, and I'm going to put the mixture through the nut milk bag. And this will take just a little bit of time now. Okay, so now is the exciting time where we're actually going to make our chia pudding. So I've got the Brazil nut milk that I squeezed through the nut milk bag, and I'm going to make 4 servings of chia pudding. So I'm just going to put 1 cup of Brazil nut milk in each bowl. Okay. So then after that, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of chia seeds in each bowl. And you'll want to make sure that you stir your chia seeds, because if not, it'll get really clumpy. Okay, so then now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of shredded unsweetened coconut. You'll add that to each bowl. And then I've got beautiful vanilla extract that we got from our trip in Mexico recently. So I'm going to use that now. And I'm going to put a teaspoon in each bowl. Smells so good. And then I'm going to put 2 to 3 drops of stevia in each bowl. Depending on how sweet you like it, I would add more drops if you like it a little sweeter. I'll put like 3 in each one. And then now I'm going to give it a good mix. Okay, so the chia pudding is gelling up nicely. It looks amazing, smells amazing. And with the leftover Brazil nut milk, I'm going to put it away and I'm going to put it in my fridge, and I'll be able to have it for at least 5 days. And I'm going to drink it with some cinnamon in it. It really tastes great. So to add a little interest, I'm going to add some beautiful butterfly pea flour powder to one of the bowls. And I've got dragon fruit powder I'm going to add to another bowl. And the colors, they're just beautiful. And it adds a really nice taste. You could use cinnamon if you want to add that. And then you can top it with some beautiful berries. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like with the powder in it. You don't need very much. Maybe about half a teaspoon. And some of the dragon fruit. So you can see how beautiful the butterfly pea flour powder looks. And the dragon fruit powder. So now I'm going to saran wrap all of these and I'm going to put them in the fridge to chill for maybe 3-4 hours. And I'll be able to start enjoying them as a beautiful dessert. Soaking chia seeds in milk actually can create a nutrient-rich pudding-like texture that enhances digestibility and nutrient absorption. It's actually a dessert that regulates your blood sugar and boosts your gut health. So when ready, you're going to give it another good stir. You're going to add fresh berries, bananas, or nuts, and enjoy this. And you don't necessarily have to have it just for dessert. You can eat it any time of the day. It tastes amazing. Remember, food is medicine and healing is possible. See you on the next video.